Alright, so today is road trip day, and I'm going to go try and find a new spot in Birmingham. It's going to be a bit of a gamble. Don't know about access, but we're going to try our luck and see what happens with Gapti. And two young, slim gentlemen are going to try and squeeze our way into through some doors.
Got to slide.
Yeah. Either that or just throw shit over. This is a pretty crazy place. Yeah!
Two pre-built burial crashes in this one. Well, that was pure luck. In fact, that was also pure luck. Ooh. Ooh.